get in Avinash to talk about Paytm, because Paytm is an interesting, important story unfolding there. Paytm, there seems to be some sort of rebound in the Paytm stock there. 197 communication up almost 15.3% in 1 month. In a week, 6%. What are your views on 197 stock at this point in time, Avinash? Is it a buy? Is it a sell? What happens here on?
See, Paytm has done one good part, is that there's been a lot of focus on cost optimization, and I think that has clearly got reflected in the quarter 1 numbers. In fact, now the markets are clearly waiting for the September quarter, where the management had clearly hinted earlier that they would become EBITDA positive. And I think if that happens, you could see a significant amount of re-rating. On the business side, if you see the gross merchant value, if you see the disbursements the company has been doing on the financial services side, I think clearly a big shift has happened on the financial services side, because the payment business continues to be extremely competitive. So I think, investors who have at least a 2-year kind of time frame would definitely look at buying the stock, because this is now getting more and more clearer that the company is a dominant player in the fintech space. They've been trying to get on very significantly on the financial services side. So I think, despite the kind of, disastrous kind of performance which happened post listing, I think now the company seems to be taking care of asset. Cost optimization is the watchword for them. So I would believe, yes, from a longer term perspective, at least a 2-year time frame, one could definitely look at, doing an SIP in the stock. Longer term, I think it's going to be a great story. But yes, it's going to take a little more time rather than what the market expects.